Hello! Welcome to another scuffed stream. We're gonna start a little bit early. I figured I would either do the chatbot or dead snakes, so we're gonna try and set up dead snakes. Let me do my little announcement first. Starting stream early for advent of code. Stop by and chat. I guess I should say that it's a scuffed stream too. Started scuff stream early. There we go. Put that on Twitter as well. And then we'll jump into stuff. So I wanted to let's see, Python 3.12 Alpha 3 came out, and I have not packaged it yet. So I'm going to try and do that really quickly. I know that it's not easy to do because I already dealt with it for the nightly. Welcome codes, hello, hello. You are first today. Congratulations. Dad snakes. I've also had a bit to drink, so we will see how this goes. Dead snakes, Python 3.12. MC! Yo! Thank you for the resub at 1 year! Holy shit. It's been a whole year! Which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. It's great to see you as well. Year in AOC is the perfect mix? Yeah. Hopefully I'm not too sloppy, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. I don't even remember how to do this anymore because the automated task has worked like every single time until this one. Actually, I bet the update would work. I just need to do the rebase. Maybe I'll do the update automatically. Let's try that. Well, let's actually confirm it fails. I'm just pretty sure it fails. I'm pretty sure it fails to build. Oh, if it fails to build, it's just going to take too damn long. No, we're not going to do that. Oh, but I do need to open this for advent of code later. And before tonight is the maze problem, hot take. I actually really like the maze problems. I feel like I am better at the maze problems than anything else. Those are the days that I get the most points on. I feel like today's gonna be easier than day 7. Wasn't day 7 pretty easy? No, day 7 was the command one, which I mean, I think was pretty easy. So my phone has done a weird thing. So it knows that I'm not at home, but it thinks that my home time is Pacific time, which I was conveniently doing Pacific time, but I had not changed any of my clocks. So I don't know why my phone thinks that is the case, but alas. All right, let's make sure these are up to date. They were not. 312 run books. Import upstream 3.12.0 alpha 3. It's all. Oh, my man says, did you shave? Yesterday, and I cut myself. But no, I didn't shave today. The shitty laptop camera, bad lighting. I'm gonna look a little different. But that is the way things go. We'll just have to deal. Oh no, we're dropping frames today. That is a new one. Well, that sucks. But how you doing, Pokemon fan? Hello, hello. I also realized I don't clip out the background music here on Twitch usually, and I never download my VODs. I don't know if it mutes it in the downloaded VOD. Audio doesn't sound like it's going through the microphone? Oh, fucking A. That could be the problem. It says it's going through that. Do I have 2 audio inputs, though? I think it is. I think it still just sounds like shit, which is fine. Am I peaking? Am I clipping? Are there more specific problems, Max Technique? Because I can fiddle with stuff. Like, yesterday we turned down the gain and it made things a little bit better. Try tapping it? Oh, that's weird. You're right. It says it's going through there. Although I think that is weird because it Unless it is filtering out the... Huh. Because the other mic is... No, it's definitely hooked up properly. I don't know why. Fuck. I hate this. I hate this. Computers suck. But here, I can show you. That's not what I wanted. I want sound settings. Oh god, the Windows sound settings. Okay, so output device is... Yeah, it's a microphone, looks stupid. Input device is this. Which... Yeah, there's just a filter. I think OBS has a built-in filter. Type your little control thing on the earpiece. Here, I'll show you. If I mute it... And now I've unmuted it. So it's definitely working. It just probably sounds bad, which, whatever. What are you gonna do? Dean else? Hello, hello. Yeah, this is doing something. Why though? Why does it sound bad? I don't know. I don't know. It sounded fine. Well, it sounded well. I don't know what it sounded like yesterday, but no one complained after I fixed the gain problems. But I also didn't do a sample recording. I guess I could try a sample recording and see what it sounds like. Or we'll just have to deal. Maybe AAC bitrate to make up for the hotel Wi-Fi. I'm not on the Wi-Fi. I'm on wired. DL says everything sounds fine. Well, then I don't fucking know. I don't know why this is taking so long. This isn't even to the part where it downloads stuff. It already did the I/O. Yeah, it's literally just running diff and gzip. It's not so bad that it's worth tinkering with. I mean, it's scuffed stream. Look, I fucking headphones on. What am I doing? But yeah. Did I make League yesterday? No. I basically no shot. I copy and pasted a lot of code, and well, I typed out a lot of code by hand, so I did not have much chance of making yesterday's leaderboard. Okay, I think if I look at the changes I made manually in the nightly, then I'll be able to know what I did here. Ralsei, hello, hello. Is it different than normal stream? Yes. Do you sound like you're underwater and floating away? No. I mean, I sound better than a lot of people in sites of text. I said nothing. If only. And then I want to find clips that are exactly me. Yeah. Interesting. It also shows my merged pull requests too. Oh, this is the one that kills distutils. Oh, this is gonna fucking suck. This is gonna suck. Okay, well, give it a shot. How much time do I have? I have 10 minutes. We can maybe get this working. You sound a little congested? Well, I am a little congested. I've also been drinking, so it could just be that I'm slurring some of my words. It could also be that I'm not speaking into my microphone properly. I could try rotating it. Is that better? Who knows? Icy fridge, low. Drinking, coding while drinking. Well, I have completed the drinking, so we are just doing the coding parts. Wait, is it actually better now? It shouldn't have changed anything, because the microphone has a cardioid pattern. Oh wait, unless I changed it. No, it's on the cardioid pattern. Update. No, what is the refresh patches? I think Ubuntu jammy. I don't notice the difference. Well, you know what? We're just gonna have to deal. That's just the way things go. All right, Debian, libheaver minimal.reamd, I think. No? Oh shit. What is the file? Starring the star. It is. I was close. There should be zip file becomes a package. Zip file is a package. Oh, I wonder if I can cherry pick the other commit. That might be a thing. Let's see. Silly mistake. Oh, I have to fix that too. I think I just need to cherry pick both of those things. Yeah, let's just try cherry picking both of those patches and see where that takes us. Oh, but we're not gonna have time to build this. Show this did apply. Damn it. Shit. Unless I already did this. Oh, maybe I already did this. Oh, maybe this is fine. Maybe this is fine. Maybe I don't have to do anything special here. I'm gonna assume that's correct. And just yellow it. Because that's what I'm feeling like today. Oh, did I off my password manager? Oh, I did. Look at that. Okay. We'll see if that works. If it doesn't work, whatever, I'll fix it some other day. If it works, then great. Perfect. Awesome. Love that for me. And then we'll set up for AOC. There is a channel point prediction going on right now that Dean Elsp has set up. If you want to, oh my god, a lot of doubters as is fair. This year's been rough, but you know that's the way things go. Audio sounds better tonight. It's just like completely mixed signals here, because a bunch of people are like, "Man, the audio shit," and then some people are like, "Audio's fine," and then you're like, "It sounds way better tonight." I don't even know. But good to see you again, Alkalan. Cowface dude put everything on yes. I mean, points are made up and they don't really do anything, so well, they would do things, but I have them turned off at the moment, so. Alright, get my GPG key and paste it into there. And then we'll do vocal. And pray that it works. Lurgood says, I'm sorry, Anthony, but statistics, and I'm babby broke after betting it all on bot build pipeline. Yeah, that is fair. That is fair. I mean, you are free to make your own predictions. I am not trying to influence in any way, shape, or form. Who am I? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully, you're doing well. It's cherry pick Ubuntu jammy carrot. And then reorder these commits, and then release, and then I should start setting up for admin of code. New VM. I'm on my laptop. I'm on my laptop, which is why the chatbot isn't running, and why I'm in a fucking hotel, and why carpet is hanging out on the bed over here, and why I have the old microphone, and the lighting is shit, and yeah. Anyway. It feels like some chatters finally clean the ears while other stuff doing dirt. I mean, the quality is significantly lower, and I'm dropping frames. We didn't drop any frames yesterday, so I don't know what's going on today. It's probably because of this. It's probably from running apt. Oh, that's real sad. Pulling big Docker image make VM go sad, I guess. More people on the Wi-Fi? I'm on wired though, so it shouldn't matter. I don't have my network limiter though, so that is a potential problem, but yeah. No, it's me. It's shitty hotel internet. Color Marku, hello. How you doing? I am going to fill up my water before we get started though. But I need to type my GPT. Well, I need to paste my GPT key in here. And then we'll get going. Then we will get going. Hotel is wired? Yeah. I'm kind of surprised it has wired. But there's a little plug, and I plugged into it and paid for premium internet, and here we are. I know, paying for premium internet at a at a hotel. What am I doing? Kid Black, hello, hello. How you doing? 6K versus 42K? Yeah. Yeah. Spend an hour getting my ASC repo up to 100% test coverage because I'm lame and dumb. I mean, I think that's a cool thing to do. Okay, I'm gonna fill up my water. Then we're gonna set up AOC. Oh, people are meeting already, so I gotta go quick. I'll be right back. Ah. What was I doing? Other than streaming, I guess streaming. Um, should we use YubiKeys and just have it grab the GB key? No, I mean I could, but it's the same as like using my password. It's fine. Good. Hello, hello. How you doing? Arrow Bounce is muting. Cool. Aneurysm is here. Hope you're expensing that. Yeah. Well, I don't think I'm gonna expense the internet because I don't feel like that is my company's prerogative. But yeah. Okay, I gotta get shit started. I gotta ready to go. What am I doing? CP dash CP dash R day 00. Eric, hello, hello. To day 9. I feel like day 9 is usually the one where it starts getting a little bit and day 9 is actually, well, you know, given this prediction, day 9 is usually my groove. Day 9 is usually where I start getting points. I'm really good at like the middle days. So I can, they're often maze puzzles, and I am great at maze puzzles. Third one. Let's see, download input. That is ready to go. Let's move you so that you are ready as well. Day 9. Sick. Everyone says I've been feeling too awful to get pre-OC jitters. Not awful enough to be actually sick, just enough to become uncomfortable. Well, I have a 3-beer handicap, so yeah. Still needs the password is just not on the machine when you take it out. Who in their right fucking mind takes their YubiKey out of their computer? I know 0 people that remove their YubiKey from their computer. It would just be too fucking inconvenient if it wasn't always plugged in my computer. Which kind of defeats the purpose of the security key in the first place, a little bit, but it's just so inconvenient. Valakadari, you remove yours? Well, I guess that's one of us then. But Ace does also? Yeah, I can't be asked. I cannot be asked. So you steal my laptop, you get my shit. Woohoo! I do want to take my computer out of my house. Well, I have to bring my security key with me. Otherwise, what am I gonna do? How to be a programming nerd? Just do it. That's what I was getting. Cough drop. Cough drop. Where are my cough drops? Oh, fucking kill me. Where are my cough drops? Man. This is gonna cost me points. Getting a cough drop. Oh, we got plenty of time. I dropped one on the floor. Let's go! Hey, what's up, V-Woo? Hello, hello. Put on the keychain with my other YubiKeys? Well, you know, it is what it is. Okay. But come down to the last few seconds here. Good luck to everyone who is competing. Let's go! Good luck, have fun. I will see you on the other side, and as always, I am going to be ignoring chat, so sorry, chat, but I will see you when we're done. Okay, click the button. 3, 2, 1, refresh. Input is a movement puzzle. There is a maze, it looks like. This is input, that is sample. I forgot a character. There's an R at the beginning. And the answer is 13. Is this a 13 positions? The tail visited at least once. Are we a snake puzzle? No, no, rope not at each end. Head and tail. The head moves far enough away from the tail. The tail is pulled towards the head. Ooh. Head and tail must always be touching, diagonally adjacent. Okay. Got it. Okay. Cool. Initially, the head is in the same position. Got it. Okay. So, okay. Doesn't seem so bad. So we have pause equals. Is this move right 4 units? 0, 0, scene equals pause, and then for line in s dot split lines. We have a direction thing. It's called direction 4, I think. Yep. Okay. Right is direction 4 dot right, right up, left down. I don't think this is gonna help me. I don't think this is saving me any time. But it's cute, and I made it before and I've never used it yet, so we're going to use it. Okay, so we will actually say head equals tail equals this. And we need to do each movement that number of times. Okay, so and the thing gets pulled. All right. So dir s n s equals line dot split. Dir equal to d. Yeah, so then we need to move it, which means the max distance. Yeah, so let's do for this in range n. Head equals uh equals move dot apply head, and then if the distance is head 0 minus tail 0 plus abs head 1 minus tail 1. If this is greater than 2, well, that's not necessarily true. Not necessarily true. Because it could be this apart. So it's any of the axes are 2, or they're exactly 1. Oh wait, no, it's just any of the axes is 2. Right? Yeah, because 1, 1 is fine. This is greater than or equal to 2, or this is greater than or equal to 2. Then we need to put the tail at the opposite position of the direction. Tail equals move dot opposite dot apply head and scene dot add tail, and then do this. And that should be that. Sick. On to part 2. Rather than 2 knots, you must simulate a rope of 10 knots. 1 knot is still the head of the rope and moves according to the series of motions. Each knot further down the rope follows the knot in front of it using the same rules as before. Oh boy. Okay. So let's take this, and the answer down here is 36. I think this actually isn't that hard. We just have to instead extend this to be a list of things. I guess I got points because the prediction got resolved. Spoilers, you fucks. Um. All right. Positions equal 0, 0 times 10. Yeah. So then we need to. We need to move head. Scene equals set positions 0. No. Set containing position 0. And then we need to apply the rest of the things. For I pay no attention. Actually, we need to positions 0. Okay, creep equals this for everything else in this. If abs then positions I equals move dot opposite dot apply and then priv equals positions I, and then scene dot add positions -1. Just continually add to the set. What the fuck? Head is not defined. Positions. Stupid word. I get 72. Well, that's exactly double. Divided by 2, call it good? That can't be right. That's the same fucking logic. What the hell? Oh, 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 oh. Um, oh. Um, we really only need to, I think, compute the first one, and if it moves, then we need to. Yeah, I think we just need to compute the first one. Because then everything else just gets pulled along the same route? Is that true? I'm gonna try that and see what happens. Prev equals positions, let's see. Head equals position 0. We should just do this. If abs can 0 minus true, this one 0 is greater than 2, or abs and position 0, 0. Just gonna call it head. Head 1. Then we need to do positions. 1 equals move dot opposite dot apply head. Oh, I'm dumb. No, I'm dumb. Maybe I had it right. Maybe I had it right. This is applying to the wrong thing. It should be pretty. All right, we're going into new idea then. So that's clearly wrong. So I think we apply this and then we insert the old position after it. So we need to do positions dot insert 2 and then positions -1. $76. Oh god, it's gotten worse. Okay, so I don't understand the problem then. So let's take a look at this again. Each knot moving further down the rope follows the knot in front of it using the same rules as before. Yeah, the problem is these knots can now move diagonally. Oh god, what the fuck happened here? Yeah, that's sort of strange. So this moves left, which means this one moves up left. And then this one moves up left. Oh, I guess they have to move the same delta until then? Until they're not unsatisfied, I guess. Oh, that's trickier. Okay. Let's see. Priv equals positions 0. I'm just going to see if we need to do one move. And then if we need to do one move, then we will apply that same move until it is not relevant anymore. Is that even correct? Because, like, if this were to pull... Like, we pull this diagonally. What if there's shit over here? I guess it just gets pulled diagonally as well. And that's fine. Yeah. Maybe we'll try that. So compute the initial one. Delta equals can 0 minus positions 1, 0. Um, mm, what am I doing? Mm, while abs prove. Oh, we called them previous and can before. We'll just do that as well. While abs priv 0 minus tan 0 is greater than or equal to 2, or abs priv 1 minus tan 1 is greater than or equal to 2. Then we need to do. Oh, we actually should need to know the I. I know, ranged len, what am I doing? Uh, well, I don't think I'm getting points on part 2, unless everyone else is struggling to think about this just as much as I am. If this else break. Um, don't think this is right, but we are going to try it. I think my trick on part 1 burned me on part 2. Try that. 3, motherfucker. Let's try this simple problem and let's try and print it. New tail only moves 1. More types of motion are possible than before, so you might want to visually compare your simulated rope to the one above. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that. Wait, did it say that it never moves? The tail never moves. Okay, so we are not going to run that, but we are going to print, I guess. And we can do that per loop. It shouldn't be moving at all. So I changed the number. Okay, at the end of each loop, we will do our little support dot. I have some helper for this. Print chords? Print chords hash. Not actually a set, but it will do. It says part 2 dot pi dash s. What happened down here? Where'd the rest of the snack go? Peace, I'm out. Let's look at the actual numbers to see what's happening here. Okay, that looks fine. That one looks fine too. And this is where it all goes to shit. Woo! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. Let's go! This is where it all goes to shit. Because it has to yank the next one. Oh, Delta's in the wrong direction. Oh, Delta's in the wrong direction. Stupid word.
Hi.
Said I'll read more in a bit. Wait, why did it move all of these? Oh, I forgot to update prove. Let's. Let's keep a hard one in there. Since our actual input is not that interesting. I had the wrong number. Damn. Damn. This does a lot of motion, so maybe this isn't that useful. Initial state, right 5. Yeah, looks fine there. Up 8. Interesting that mine looks different. So why though? I feel like mine is more realistic. I think it's supposed to follow the path, is what I'm seeing here. So, but how do these end up diagonal is the question. That's what's weird to me. That is what's weird to me. Not gonna get hints from chat yet, though. See, my snake moves in some way, but not in a valid way. I guess I could. I guess I could represent my because really what I want to do is take the 2-knot computation and when I yank the oh, my keyboard is all fucked. That sucks. When I yank the knots around, that sounds terrible. I really am applying like this skips things, but it might actually be two moves. And so which direction do I apply first? Does it matter? It does matter because hmm. Hmm. Yeah, this is this is a tough part. Well, I don't think I'm gonna get points, so I kind of want to peek at the leaderboard just to see what I did for part one at least. um. Oh fuck! I did great on part one, but I'm fucked on part two. Dranson, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, the problem is when things get yanked from a diagonal, they are potentially moving two places. I think, unless I have done this wrong. Oh, I didn't even read the rules. I didn't even read the rules. I should have read the rules. Reading the fucking rules. I'm just gonna implement this. I'm just gonna implement this hard code it. I didn't even read the damn rules. How did I get part one right? I didn't even fucking read. Oh man. Um. Okay, so there's only three cases. It moves in a diagonal to be one away. I could just try all the diagonals. Okay. So um so we're gonna fix up the tail here. So if hx equals hy and tx minus ty is greater than or equal to 2. Well, actually, we could just say equals 2. Uh, then we do the average of the two. Oh, I saw your hint. Good call. And then I fucked this one up too. I am slightly looking at chat. Uh, the easiest way to not think about this is uh, uh, what is this? So that's the x direction. Hy equals ty. Hy equals ty and tx plus hx over 2 and ty. Okay, those are the cases done. Now we need to do our diagonal boyos. Um, which is really just if the y delta is 2, then we set the x to be the same and we average the y's. If the x delta is 2, we set the y's to be the same and we average the x's. Yeah, okay. Now if y delta is 2, y delta is 2, independent of the x's and the y's. Yeah, we don't actually care about the x's. We just say hx here and we do this. And we say hy here, we do that. Otherwise, we return tail. I think that implements this. Okay, so we set positions, and then we do for I in range 1 when positions. Since I equals fix up through positions I. Yeah, it helps to read the problem, doesn't it? It doesn't help enough, though. But oh, well, that really sucks. That really sucks. That that really sucks. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Also, the music stopped. I didn't tell you you could stop. This is the drawing of all the places it visits. This is the end state. We can print scene. That looks perfect. Shit. Cafe State made 50k babbies? My hint is still Spinny Bongo. You also have a real hint. Well, you know what? I'm gonna stare at my code a little bit. Before I give up on that. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I think it's hint time. Hold on, I'm gonna read chat, and then Eric will give me a hint. But first, oh my god, there's so much chat. Holy shit. My god, you guys talk so much. Do I have to read everything? Context, hello. Please speak in English if possible. Yeah, Bot Dead, how's it going, Tofu? Cypher Enigma, welcome. Bowstock, how's it going? Yep, another advent of Code Day. Brett, hello. Downplayed people speed solving. I would not recommend it. Yeah. Do not do this. Instead, have fun and learn stuff. Yeah, I mean, I think it's fun. I prefer a totally different approach to interviewing. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I don't do this for interviews. But yeah. Yep. Hello. A graphical user interface for creating port tunnels to a secure AWS instance. That sounds cool, but terrifying. Eric chatting back forth. V Woo's here. Votament K, hello. Everyone's got 1040 and 480. Nice. Well, I got points on the first part, but still haven't completed the second part. Build things. Yes, that's also my advice for learning programming. Oppas Bobbas, how's it going? Hello. Someone always skips a line. I don't even know how I got part one right. Reading the rules explains the rules. Yes. For every sentence, there's always a user that skipped exactly that sentence. It confirmed Anthony can't read. I don't even know how I got it right. Stand robot, hello, fucking we right, it's true. Like, part 2 solution works for the larger test input, but gives division by 0 for the real input. What? Mine works for both of those inputs, but not for the real one. Addison, hello. That's the end of the tail? Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. That's just the starting thing. The hint is there's a program on your computer called diff. Are you saying that these are not the same? They look exactly the same. Are you saying that I need to get this entire output and print these and see where I've fucked up? Oh, is that a hint? It's supposed to be possible for a head segment to be two spaces away, corresponding tail in part 2, such as 1.2. No, it would get adjusted. My message at 12:17 was my success in part 2. Nice, congrats. Recursive chat, hello. Are you speaking in conference? No. A holiday party. I wasted 9 minutes debugging part 2 because I was sure there are 9 knots in total. Because the numbers on the grid only go up to 9? No, there's 10. I'm saying I should compare all the example outputs just to see if anything is different. I mean, I could. I could paste that in and get that working. Clean up the output a little bit and change it into octothorpes. But I don't think... I think I have the example the same. My printer is never gonna produce those lines. It's also never gonna produce these lines. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit to clean up. I don't have a rectangle select to make this easier. Well, you know what I can do? I can do this. And then I can dedent. That'll be easier than doing it that way. Oh, shit. Except not. Tab size 1. Sounds like a terrible idea, but does work. Suspect this isn't going to actually show me much, but we're gonna try it anyway. And this is just one octothorpe. Okay. Uh, it's gonna be silly. Oh, shit. Yeah, let's print these boys. We're gonna need to put some new lines in between. And put this in so that it looks similar. Oh, it's actually after instead of before. Oh, I gotta clean things up a little bit. I gotta change the S there. Hmm. That one is slightly different. We got an extra new line here. Why is this one different yet looking the same? Um, oh, we have the answer at the end, so we should put that there. Are these not the same? They look so similar. um, okay, but I think it goes off earlier, so we can look at that. Let's actually make this output look the same. So we're gonna want a fewer line break there, one here. Let's reduce the noise. Alright, so the up 8 step looks different. Uh, Interesting. What the fuck happened here? I think there's a situation where where they're both Delta 2. I think I'm not handling that. Which I didn't think was possible, but I think it might be given the way things move. Oh, average, yeah. Add. I was like, why am I adding? Why am I not subtracting? Um, now they are different for a different reason. Maybe they're the same, but it's white space, but dash S shouldn't do that. Oh, okay. I think they're the same now. Yeah, I gotta get rid of terms. That's why we have that guard there, chat. Everyone's like, why'd you put the guard there? But we don't submit garbage. Still have garbage. Otherwise, you would submit garbage there. Alright, there we go. Finally got there. I see. Yeah, so the thing that I didn't have is that a diagonal move can trigger a double diagonal move from something else. Which I guess technically wasn't in the list of movements, although maybe it was added. Uh, more types of motion are possible. I don't know that this explained that new type of motion, but that's fine. You know, problem can evolve. Okay, that's cool. Now, the question is, how would I do this in SQLite? What is great, Lolo? When people know about the lore, I'm not even reading the complete puzzle descriptions. Yeah, I skip it. Chom, hello. Good to see you again. It's been a while. Akmo, how's it going? Have you done part 2 and by then? I have now. Whole Pixel says, is your fix-up function handling diff of 2.2 correctly? No, it was not. We fixed that, though. Staring at code is hard work. Sounds too much like day job. Yeah. Company party? Yep, that's why I'm in Toronto. Oh, Xerix, Lolo. Do you think GPT-3 could solve some admin code problems? In fact, it did this year, which I'm not happy about. Holpixel says, I wasted 5 minutes debugging part 2 because there are 9 knots in total. Because the numbers on the grid only go up to 9? Oh, yeah. Red Knights, Lolo. Took me half an hour to do part 1, but part 2 took 2 minutes, so I am the exact opposite. I'm the exact opposite. I did part 1 in, like, fucking no time. And then part 2 took me hella 5 ever. But I got points. And a sizable chunk of points, so I will take that. Now the question is how I will do this in SQLite. Part 1 is extremely easy. So I don't think part 1 is hard. In fact, I think I can do part 1 almost immediately as a state machine. Is this most points I've ever gotten in a day? I don't think so. Or in one part, maybe? I think I've gotten way more points in a day. Let's see. Yeah, this day was better last year. That is the second best part I have ever done, looks like. Which is not bad. 2019, where I did family stuff. I got a bunch of points, like, in a bunch of days in a row here. I was on a roll. Okay, how am I gonna do this as SQLite? Let's commit this first. Let's commit this first. Yesterday's stream, I deleted my part 2, so I had to copy it out of the VOD after the stream. Like a fucking idiot. Lolo. Oh, that was painful. So we're gonna make sure we actually commit it this time. Day 9, part 1. Careful now. Day 9, part 2. I can get rid of that little diagrammy thing. Not actually that useful. I mean, it was useful, but it's not useful after the code's been written. All right. I can definitely do. I can definitely do the. I think I'm gonna just solve it as if I'm solving part 9 or part 2, and then the answer is just I will keep track of how many places not 2 visits and how many places not 9 visits, and just select the answer at the end. And I'm gonna cheat and use triggers, I think. Always get commission and push. I push it into the stream. How many channel points for a dramatic reading of the lore? I mean, I could read today's lore with a dramatic voice if you want me to do that. It's 2,501 for a cover of a pop song, so probably around that. I mean, if you redeem that, I will read today's lore, Eric, if that's what you want. Wait till you're back with a better mic. Yeah, I could. I would. It would be a much higher quality. If you wait until Saturday midnight. Oh, it's disabled. Okay. If you wait till Saturday midnight and redeem your points, I will dramatically read that night's lore. Yeah, I've turned off all the channel point redeems because I am in Jankland. Copy. Day 8, part 1 SQLite to part 2 .SQLite.SQL, and get rid of all of this. Okay, I'm gonna use this small input. Yeah. I'm gonna use a small input from part 1. And do that. Oh, I think I need recursive triggers for this. Yeah, because I'm gonna do an update that's gonna trigger another update. Which recursive triggers perform extremely poorly. But I don't think it should be a problem. Create table points. I int x and y int insert into points values. I think I have to. I thought I could bulk insert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know if I can do this. I could write this as a loop, which feels less shitty, but this feels just jank enough to be AOC compatible. I can't count. I can't count, I guess. This didn't work for me yesterday, so let's see if it works for me today. Okay, it does. Weird, because I did the same shit yesterday and it didn't work. Oh, was it that I didn't list the column names? The column names required if you do it this way? I don't know. I don't understand. I did exactly this yesterday and it errored. So, fuck me, I guess. So I'm gonna create a trigger. When a point gets updated. Create trigger. Trigger. Create trigger T points after update on points for each row begin end. So we need to these chats won't count towards chat plot. It's true. There's gonna be oh no. There's gonna be a gap in the chat plot. Oh no! Blue 1986, Lolo, welcome. Today must be hard if you're still awake. No, I just had a. Well, I didn't read the problem. For one thing, and then I had a stupid bug. But now SQLite's gonna be hard. So yeah, all of those things combined. So I seem to remember. I think if I do an update that has an empty difference, it'll work. What's chatplot, Choco Jacks? Okay, so when I normally have the chatbot open, you can run chatplot as a command, and it'll show you how much you've interacted with chat over time and a trend line. It's one of the cooler features of the bot. Of course, it doesn't work right now because I don't. Chatbot's not running. Also, it wouldn't work on here unless I'd copied the data over, because it needs the database. But it is pretty cool. So when I'm back at my normal setup, you should run it, and then you'll be able to see something. Do you have logs that correct to find an example? I would need to find a user that I know has run chatplot recently in their last however many messages. Like I feel like maybe recursive chat is somebody who has run chatplot. And maybe I could click on their messages and scroll back a little bit. Oh no, it would have to be from the bot. Because it has to. The bot replies to chatplot. Oh god, this is just a mess of disaster. This is just. Can we get a let's go over and over? Mr. Metabytes, thank you for the resub at 30. God damn, 35 months. Also, forgot to say, J Phils resubbed at 26 months. Thank you. Appreciate your continued support, both of you. I'm trying to find a chat plot. See if I can find an example. Oh, I found one. I found one for Airbounce, in fact. Here is what it does. So you can see Aerobounce has big spikes on Advent of Code days, because that is where Aerobounce originally found my stream and has been hanging out. How do I exit out of this? There we go. Why did you time out my bot? Did you mean to type /user? That's funny. Oh, so you can get the chat history. You can get it by doing /user. You can do this. That's how I got it. Fuck off. I don't want this shit. Okay. I seem to remember this is hard to do. Timeout is more fun, yeah. But now it'll permanently say that DDoS has timed out Anthony Red's code bot. You may have been the first timeout of the bot. Okay. I think I need to do update T points. Yeah, MOTD doesn't work. Yeah, it's part of the bot. Where update T points? What am I doing? Update points where points dot I equals new dot I plus 1 and oh fuck man. How's this gonna work? And the difference in the y is 2. And new dot x minus Karma Charman. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I'm MOTD now. You have become MOTD. Select points dot x from points where points dot I equals 2 dot I plus 1. Gross. Okay. All right, we're doing an update, and the condition is that it is the point after us, and that the delta of y or x is 2. So now we need to do the 2 changes. We need to do x equals case something or another, and we need to do y equals case something or another. Wait, this is just easy. Oh wait, no, there's more cases than this. Right? Let me read the code that I already wrote. I don't have to think about this, I can just read. We're like large memoji. Can we get a let's go? Why that's become why is that the stream beam chat? Why have we done that? Oh, also, I wonder if we can can we make carpet show up more? Kind of. Bloop. Wait, I could put carpet right here. But I need to put something, I need to find something to put it on. That's hooked up to things. How about a Switch controller? Will that work? No, not quite. Almost. Shit. Alright, never mind. Carpet's going back. Back in the bed. Ugh. Back on carpet's now foreground carpet? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I need to do the AND case. Yeah. Balls. Okay, so if they are both, then Those get averaged. Oh, wait. Is it not just always average? Because if you average the same number, it stays the same. Oh, but if they're only one apart, then it fucks it. Yeah, okay, so that's not the case. Alright. Let's just do this. When the difference of this is 2, then it is the average of the two. I'm gonna use my little constants trick because this sucks. This is annoying. We learned this the other day. Paused? Oh, did I get rid of it? No, I got rid of it. Oh. I must have found a better way to do it. There's like a with something. That's sad. It was a cool little pattern. Let me see if we can find it again. Temporary variable SQL. No, it's definitely in this code somewhere. Maybe it's not with? Well, we can just read all the SQL. It's not that one. It's not that one. It was one of the ones with a trigger. So let's get the triggers. Grab dash IL trigger these. Oh, I could have sworn it was this one. Nope. Part 2, so it's probably just the same thing. Oh, you know what? I solved it by doing this. Damn. Okay, well. I guess, no such luck there. Fine, fine, fine. New.x plus select points.x points where points I equals new I plus 1 over 2. So this is definitely wrong, but I'm going to stick it there for a sec and then figure out the actual proper logic for this. I'll do the same thing for y. Without recursive, yeah. Create trigger, this is definitely wrong. Yes. 900,000 million %, this is definitely wrong. Okay, so when they are double, then we're definitely doing this. That happens in both cases. We also have to say when the y's are double, then we set... yeah. When the y's are double, then it's new.x. Oh, that's not right either. Uh, Otherwise it stays the same. I think I can just do X. This is just a trivial update. Right? Can I do that? Okay, table wet A, insert into wet value 1, update wet, set A equals A. So start from wet. Okay, cool. Trivial update. I think we do. This logic doesn't seem right, but I am going to try some temporary updates and see what happens. All right, so we're going to do update points set x equals 1 where I equals 0. We're going to do x equals 2. Table. And we are going to include semicolons. That seems to be working. Let's have it move up now. And then select it afterwards. Uh, X of 2, Y of 1. I don't know what this looks like. Having trouble visualizing. Support dot print towards hash 2 1 1 0 and then 0 0. Okay, actually that's fine. This might be working. Challen New Rich Boy, hello. Calvaker says sexy. Welcome to the stream. This is not the most flattering look for me. This is my shitty camera. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to transform our input, which shouldn't be too bad. Um, Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Jack Fluster. Yeah. You have a YouTube channel. Well, unfortunately, this is not the place to advertise your YouTube channel. Nor is anyone else's stream. It should go without saying. With recursive, and then me lore. It looks like someone has been summarizing lore in a webcomic format. I have seen that. That comic is great. Sanesis, hello. How you doing? You're not self-promoting. What are you doing then? that feels like a lie. um. So we basically need to turn each direction into a number of other directions. So I kind of need a loop. So I think we're going to have n dx dy and then rest. And I don't remember the syntax for this. Oh, I also need to I also need to make my trigger keep track of what points are visited. So I need to do that as well. But we'll do that after we actually do this. Yeah, you stream right updated version? Do I have a Discord? Yes. Oh, yeah, the bot is not working, but it's in the description. So if you scroll down, you can find it there. Unrecognized commands are errorless, not found. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay, N000 select S with pair 10 from input. And I'll select. Okay. We only want to read a line when the previous n is 0. Case nn.n. Case when nn.n equals 0. Then we need to subster out thing. What does our input look like? The direction is first. And these numbers are probably okay. Subster nn.rest. Inster nn.rest space, I think +1. And then inster nn.rest pair 10 minus inster nn.rest space. And we'll try that out in a little thingy thing. Table what? Insert what? R123 R10 D456. Error in your pipe syntax error 1. Select subster S inster S space +1 inster S paired 10 minus inster S space and that shit, it's called A, not S. That has a new line on the end, so we need to subtract 1. Thick. Okay, I was close. Okay, when it is 0, then we do that. Otherwise, it is nn.n nn.n -1. The music stopped again. It has. Well, did I jump frames too? What code are you making? I'm solving advent of code in SQLite. Rollers, hello. What are all the Fs? Oh, why are we getting Fs? Oh, Fs for the bot. Okay, fair. Colin, are you advertising your Discord? That's not appropriate here either. That's not appropriate here either. Pablo, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, DX and DY. This is going to be fun. Else and into DX. And we need to make a big fucking case statement there. Case subster and then rest. Oh, this is at least easy. Oh, this is also easy. This is always this is always constant. This can be 3. This can be -3, I think. Because it's always a constant offset. I don't have to do a bunch of fucking math. Yeah. That's a lot simpler there. Paying 900 babbies for this joke. Yeah, you get, if you have high tier subs, you get free email modifications. Okay. Case this. We're using the other kind of case statements. When L, then -1. When R, then 1. Else 0, and that's easier than I thought it was going to be. I am Seuss. I am a little Seuss of this. Ooh, then it's -1, then it's +1. We need to do one more of these. When it's 0, then oh, we have a more complicated termination this time. From NN, where uh we want to keep going while n is non-zero and or there is text. While where nn dot n is greater than 0 or nn dot rest does not equal the empty string. Uh, let's try that. Syntax error near line 51. Kill me. These are the worst. These are so hard to find. It's literally good luck, have fun. It's somewhere in here. It's somewhere near an open parenthesis. Don't ban me, please. Yes, we are doing this in SQLite. Yes. Am I sane? No. Venus! How you doing? Hello. Uh, we are actually going to do something blasphemous because I have not implemented a brace matching plugin. We know that's not where the syntax error is. Because I have not implemented a brace matching plugin, we are going to use Vim to match our braces. Because I suspect it's either that or a trailing comma. And I don't see any trailing commas here, so. But they all look fine. That's the weird thing. That's the very weird thing. We can also do the other thing where I comment out code until it works. Yeah, because all the braces match, which is a little surprising. Because that's usually the bug. Details for your head now? Sounds good, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. Alright, let's comment out. Well, I'm pretty sure these are fine. But they are the easiest thing to comment out without having to change any of the logic. End and rest is the most important part of this. Oh my fucking god, there's a missing comma there. I thought hey, maybe we don't have to do that. All right. So, given our puzzle, we're doing 4 rights. This first one we can ignore. And then we have 5 rights here. So that's not right. And then we have 5 ups. So we need to adjust for this, where n does not equal 0. That fix this? 4 rights, 4 ups, 3 lefts, 1 down, 4 rights, 1 down, 5 lefts, 2 rights. Okay, cool. Venus says, using ASC to learn some Go, I thought I liked the limited instructions, but goddamn, I have to make and define everything, not even tuples or sets. Yep, welcome to Go, where the language hates you, and everything sucks. Okay. I'm just gonna do the create table visited. I int x int y int and insert into visited, select star found points. Surely no problems will happen with that. Then we need to add another statement to our this insert or replace into visited values new.I, new.x, new.y. And then at the end, we need to do select count 1 from visited, where I equals 9. That'll be our part 2 solution. And this will be our part 1 solution. Now we need to do the actual updates. Adaver says, I remember a story you told about a rather egotistical ex-Google developer at Lyft, and I feel like going and spirit encapsulates that spirit. Yes, oh my god. Fuck, what was his shtick? What was I've managed over 100 incidents at Google, and therefore you're wrong, and blah blah blah, and like, just started fucking screaming at me in a conference room. That man. I've not had to think about that asshole in a while. I'm glad. I'm glad. Using AI search to learn. Oh, we already read that. Yeah. It has go routines instead of coroutines, so maybe instead of tuples and sen, it has gopals and goats. Right? Okay, so I didn't think about this. How I'm gonna perform these repeated updates. More triggers! Okay. uh... Oh, fuck off. We don't have time for not that type of updates. Shut up, computer. Can you solve it? Well, you can close it. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Create trigger T updates on after update on. We were actually do after insert on updates begin and update points set x equals x plus new.dx, y equals y plus new.dy, where y equals 0. Then we can do insert into updates this, and then select out our counts at the end. Fuck. We're off by one. No. Why? Why? Damn it. Let's see what we actually got there. And we'll plot this. I'm actually going to do this because it's going to make it easier for me to turn these into points. Shit. Int. And that's split. Type 0. Oh, kill me. No, I didn't mean a comma. Useless ass syntax message. Okay. We're dot print boards hash. Piss. Piss. Oh, that is super fucked up. Computer, wait, did somebody say updates, right? That is super fucked up. How the hell? Uh, Let's know what all of them are. Oh, it does. Wait. What the fuck? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how did I get 14? Am I tripping? What is going on here? How is this 14? What? It's like there's an empty string at the end of the list. That was just me pasting wrong. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, there are 14 there. Did I paste wrong in the terminal? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I wish I... Oh, I can just do this to recover it. Why didn't that paste? Okay, one of these points is duplicated, but I don't see it. Which means my insert or replace didn't work. I seem to remember there's something quirky with upsert, and I've fixed this in the past. Upsert, SQLite. Oh, we have to on conflict do nothing. Yeah. We need to add a unique key. Or we can probably do distinct, but yeah. Autogiro, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Where is the visited? Visited. Okay. So I need to add we could just give it primary key. Primary key. The whole fucking table. On conflict, do nothing. Where is the on conflict clause go? At the end. Or before where? Maybe that's right now. 13. Oh, okay, let's do bigger input now. And get rid of you. What am I doing? Changing this at the top to input.text. And weed. Another day successfully done. Part 1. And that is part 2. Sick. Let's fucking go. 39 in SQLite. All right, that's gonna wrap us up. 4 -3. Ah, you both found it. I didn't see it because I'm dumb. Brain Wiggins. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I don't know why I had a hard time reading your name. Truly, welcome to the stream. All right, but yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's find someone to rate, I guess. How do I do this? Unless we have a recommendation. Oh, fuck. I have my channel. Stop. No, that is the worst. Stop it. Unless we have a recommendation in chat. Otherwise I will pick someone. I don't see a recommendation. Alright, I'm going to pick someone. Rated time enjoyed. We have not rated Ambivalent Bunny. We're gonna give Ambivalent Bunny a rate. Ambivalent. I should copy paste, otherwise I'm gonna fuck it up. Yep, that is how this works. It's gonna make noise again. Stop. Yeah, thank you for stopping by, Chocolate Jacks. Always good to see you. Go say hi to Ambivalent Bunny, who is also working on Advent of Code. But yeah, say hi, be nice, etc. Bungle away, throw up your pythons, give her a spin if you've got the spinny emote, and I'll see you around. Have a good one, chat. Peace.